Hi, my name is Anne Maas. I'm from the company heinekingmedia, and in this show we present the digital signage cloud. Actually, it's a software which runs on almost every device, so on every platform. In this fair we have a KTM. It actually represents a showcase, and all the screens you can see here are examples how our software can be used. We have different platforms, for example, Windows, Tizen, which belongs to Samsung, Amazon Fire and Android, and all the devices are run with our software. Here we have got a digital price sign where you can get all the information from the car, as in a real retail shop. And right here we got a car configuration system, which also can be used in retail stores to get more information about the product. For example, an overview of the car, a model page where you can really configure the car, and where the salesperson can give more information to the interest persons. At the wall, there is a digital, there's a video wall, and it's run with one Windows player and acts as an advertising tool. More examples of devices we have got here on our device wall. These are small Samsung Tizen monitors. Here we have got some Amazon Fire tablets and as well some Android mobile phones. Yeah. For more information, please visit our website digitalsignage.cloud.